Good morning. We are on the claim for Teresa Smith. Claim number is 1534470. It is August 22nd, approximately 9:15 in the morning. It is 75 degrees out on a cloudy day. I have been contracted to perform some repairs to this insured roof based on the carrier specs. I have a wind damaged shingle here on the back slope. I'll be removing and replacing it with another standard 3-tab. In order to remove this shingle, I need to manipulate the 2 rows above it to get the nails out. Tools I'll be using will be the roof snake as well as a standard roofer's hatchet. If we run into any issues during the process, such as breaking, fracturing, hinging, creasing, anything of the like, we will note take it and also accompany the video with close-up photos at the end for review. Let's get started. I'll be using the tail end of my hatchet to lift the shingle up just high enough to get the nails out. I'm noticing some slight granule loss so far. Just getting the nails out on the first row. First row is out. Moving to the second. We are not manipulating the shingles any more than we have to get to these nails. Should be it. Damaged shingle has been removed. We will be replacing it, like I said, with a standard 3-tab. Width and exposure look good. As I hit these nails, I'm seeing some granuloss start to fall off. First row secured, moving to the second. As I hit these nails, I'm noticing some creases start to form from when we remove the nails on the above shingles. I'll show you that momentarily. And last one. Shingle has been installed. I'm going to show you what I'm noticing now. On the 2 rows of shingles above it, there seems to be some light fracturing and creasing that has occurred. I don't know if you can see it, but we have some breaking here, some breaking here, and here on the first row. We have the second row right here, and right here. I'm going to demonstrate the retention of the granules right now. This is an area that we haven't messed with. I'm going to rub with my hand pretty aggressively and palm. You can see there's no granules coming off. If I lightly go back to where we just were, you can very easily see the creases from the granules that have been displaced. This would be deemed a failed attempt to repair. In an effort to remove one damaged shingle, we have damaged not 1, 2, but 3 shingles above it. This will cause a ripple effect on the roof. We would kindly ask that you reconsider the repairability aspect of this claim so that we can bring the insured back to pre-loss conditions. Thank you for watching and have a good day.